My mom.
My husband.
My wife was diagnosed with lung cancer.
Lung cancer.
His lungs were worth fighting for.
Her lungs were worth fighting for.
Mom's lungs were worth fighting for.
We got the call the day I retired.
It was unexpected. I had no symptoms.
I had a pain in my side that I thought was a kidney stone.
When she was going in for her checkup, they saw a spot on her lung.
Everybody always said she got lung cancer from smoking, and I had quit smoking 15, 20 years prior.
They came in there in the middle of the night and they told me that it was inoperable.
I mean, how I would function, what I would do from day to day. This, I can't imagine it.
It hit me hard, and I remember just kind of dropping down to the ground and holding Mom's hand.
This is my whole world. I'm nothing without her. But she's all of us. She's our world. Because when you hear the word cancer, you have no idea what's going to happen.
My oncologist asked me, would I like to go somewhere for another opinion? And I said yes. And he asked me where. And I said, well, you know, where would you go if it was you or your family? And he said, MD Anderson, because they're doing things out there that we can't do here.
We did not want one opinion. That was the key thing.
Got to find the best doctor, the best hospital, the best surgeons.
I went to MD Anderson and they told me we're going to eradicate it.
It was like the sun coming out. You know, if there was a chance to fight for it, you know, I didn't care what it was. I was ready to do it.
We moved from the Philippines to have Faye treated at MD Anderson.
In order to do this, you can't lay down and cry, because I thought about doing that.
You can never give up. You can't give up.
She might have been scared, but you couldn't tell it. She was going to fight, and it reassured me.
Cancer is not a disease of one person. It affects the whole family. He is my rock. He was my support.
John was the best nurse you could have had.
I kept telling her, you're not going to go nowhere. You're going to stay right here.
Surviving lung cancer has made me more aware of the beauty of every day.
You focus on the present. You touch a hand and you say, oh, how sweet it is to feel her warm, soft hand.
To put it simply, without MD Anderson, I would not have known my grandchildren.
You know, if there's hope, if there's a possibility out there, we're going to try.
She had that kind of confidence. I went right along with her. Apparently, she knew what she was doing, because here I am.
I love you, Mr. B.
I love that little chicken bone.
Cheers.
Have you ever been totally, unequivocally in love with anybody?
My lungs.
My lungs.
My lung.
We're worth fighting for.
Hey, like that.
You like that?
My name's Sue.
MD Anderson made her cancer history.
How do you do?